Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Want to create professional PDF files on your Mac without spending money? In this video, I will show you one of the best PDF creator apps for Mac that lets you create, edit, convert and manage PDF documents with ease, whether you are a student, professional or business user. This app has everything you need. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for PDFgear for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website of PDFgear, pdfgear.com. Simply click on it. Now you can see here at the top free download. Click on it. Now you can see it is open on Apple Store, view in Mac App Store. You can download it from browser as well. Then click on Get. Then click on Install. As you can see, the download is started. Let the download be done first. As you can see, it is successfully downloaded. Then click on Open. Just close this. Okay, after opening PDFgear, you will see multiple tools on the home screen to create a new PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PNG, compress PDF. Now, what we have to do? Convert from PDF, convert to PDF. We have to choose convert to PDF. Click on it. Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PPT to PDF, image to PDF. I will choose image to PDF. Now click on add file on the top. Now from here just select the images which you want to make PDF. I want these three to make PDF. Then click on open. Now you can see here convert, and from here you can do page setting. You want A4 size, just select it, A4, A3, A5, portrait or landscape. I will choose landscape. As you can see, because it is a thumbnail. Narrow margin, medium margin, wide margin, just select it. Narrow margin is good. Okay, now output path, just select the output path from here where you want to save your PDF. I want to save it on my desktop. Then click on open. Now from here simply click on convert, and that's it. You can see here the PDF is converted. Now let's check this. As you can see here, it is opened on PDF format because this is a PDF file. And that's how you can create, edit, convert and manage PDF files on your Mac using PDFgear. If you're looking for a free PDF creator with powerful features, this is definitely one of the best options available. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.